Hello and welcome to TAIK. I am Mohammed Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about Lineage view in Power BI service. If you are visiting first time to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Now let's get started. In October 2019, yearly first week, Microsoft has released the Lineage view function in Power BI service. For that, first of all, you need to log into your Power BI service and then go to your workspace, and then on the top right side you have an option like list view. Click on the drop down, you will get an option like lineage view. Click on that. You will get all the data set, data flows, workbook, reports and dashboard within one window, and it will give you a direction how it all flows in this Power BI service. So for example, this is a data set, and out of that we have made two reports and three dashboards, whereas one dashboard is directly connected to the data set and the two dashboards are connected to the reports. We go further down, and for another example, we have four data sources are there, and out of that we have made one data set, and out of that we have made one report. Whereas in another example, one data source and one data flow and one data set and then one report. So this is a cool feature they have released in early October 2019, that we can visualize the how the data flow and works together. Not only that, even we can have all the functions is available in the list view. Like if you click on this three dot button, you will get all the options which is available there. Also here for the dashboard, and this for the reports, and this is for the, and that's it. Some of them might like this feature and some may not, but as per their users requirement they release this feature. If you like this video and if you like this feature, just click on the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. If you have any queries, feedback, please post it on the comment section below. Share it with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.